Here we go. CNC group break number 1249. The triple up, we're going to start with the 11-12 HMP update and 12-13 artifacts. So code up 12. Alright, we've got an autograph for the Florida Panthers, Brian Foster. And, oh, that's nice. A 3-color game-used number black out of 6, Cody Ceci for the Ottawa Senators. Cody Ceci, game-used number black out of 6 for the Sens. Good start. Now on to the artifacts. Alright, we've got a Team Canada blue parallel, number to 85 for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. We've got a Tundra Trios, which will be randomed between the Hawks, and Flyers, Brent Seabrook, Duncan Keith, Chris Pronger. We've got a goalie insert to $9.99 for the Dallas Stars, Kari Lehtinen. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the Dallas Stars, Brendan Dillon. We've got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. 2 in 1 box, what the hell? Well, mind you, one of them was the blue, but one Corey Perry is too many. We got a dual jersey, number to 125 for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. We got a patch. We've got an Emerald rookie, number to 99 for the Buffalo Sabres, Travis Turnbull. We got a rookie redemption for the Colorado Avalanche. So, who knows who that could be? Duncan Siemens, maybe. And we got a frozen artifacts for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. Alright, and we've got a, oh, that's a nice hit, jersey, patch, and autograph, numbered 6 of 8 for the Vancouver Canucks, Ryan Kesler. 6 of 8 for the Canucks, Ryan Kesler. That's not too shabby. Alright, coming up next, 11-12 Limited and Prime.